morning, guys. I hope you guys are well. How are you guys doing? Today I'm currently heading to the Auto Bavaria service center at Jalan Tun Razak to fix as what I have shown you guys in the beginning of the video. I have this screeching noise for my side mirror when folding. Nothing serious, just the annoying noise like plastic rubbing against plastics. Obviously, I think it needs to be lubricated, or perhaps they have a better solution. So we're almost here. Running a bit late. Okay, there's a parking. Waiting for the customer to collect the car. Oh, front.
A few moments later.
It was a quick one. It took me less than 10 minutes, I think 5-10 minutes. They just put on some lubricants on the side mirror, and now it is as quiet as new. And actually I wanted to change the rear window side wiper as well, but too bad they don't have stock. And I also got myself this, the BMW car air freshener kit, and I'm gonna try it later. It cost me 130 ringgit, and I hope it's worth the money. I know it's for 130 ringgit car air freshener, it may sound a bit crazy, but let's hope that it gives us a great experience. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. It sounds pretty quiet now, but let's hope the lubricant will last. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so there's an expiry date. Assembled in 2019 and used by 2022. Okay, let's take it out. I think it's a very nicely designed. You cannot adjust the volume of the air freshener. There's only one on and off slide. And what else you have? The air freshener stick. And And this is not even the instruction manual. Okay, so based on what I have learned from how do I remove it? Oops. So you just plug it out. Smells good. So here it says front facing out. There's a hole here and a pin here. Guess you just put it in and slide the stick inside, and then lock it just like that. Okay, 0 will close the van, and you slide it like number 1 here. The van will be open. So it's supposed to be very easy to install. Just stick it on the aircon van, just like that. The smell, the scent is quite strong actually. Okay, this is the, what do you call that? The natural air. Oh, sparkling raindrops. The flavor of the scent is sparkling raindrops. And oh, the instruction manual is here actually, behind the box. Okay, so let's see how long it will last, and I shall let you all know in a later date. This is how it looks like. Doesn't obstruct the direction of the air vent, and it's very minimalistic, and of course it is BMW. It's meant for BMW. So let's close it for now, save some of it. Anyway, this is a phone holder that I got from Taobao. It has a BMW logo on it, but of course it's not the original BMW accessories. But anyway, it's very convenient. Just put your phone here, just like that, and then you will hold either vertically or horizontally, and it's 360 degrees. You can change the direction. The one thing that I like with this phone holder is it has a bracket that attached to it nicely on the aircon van here. So it's not like those that you need to clip it on the van here, or those with suction cup that you have to put it on your windscreen, which will obstruct some of your view. And yeah, just one last thing that I recently bought. It's a voltmeter, USB charger voltmeter from Philips. I got it from Taobao as well, and I cannot find this model here in Malaysia, so I got it from China Taobao. I think it's very useful. You can always monitor your battery voltage performance. There's one great news. The new 1 Series F40 will be launching soon in Malaysia, so hopefully we'll get the chance to test drive it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Drive safe. Bye.